Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free spicy app for your Fire Stick or Android TV device. And the hosted app is actually really easy too. So first of all, you need to get the app called Downloader to the Fire Stick. You can get Downloader free of charge. Just go to search on the Fire Stick and start typing Downloader in your search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to the Fire Stick. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, you need to go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. You open it, and in here, you will need to turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So go back and you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to go to install unknown apps. And now in here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available from the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it. And now there's the Downloader application. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Vietnam right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So just go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it up, and then head to Downloader. Open the Downloader as well. And now in the Downloader, what you have to do is open the search bar, and then in the search, we'll be entering a code, which is gonna be 863078. So once again, it's 863078. That's the code you have to enter. Then you click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And after the app was downloaded, of course you also have to install it to your device before actually using it. So click install, and make sure that the app gets installed to your Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now let's go back to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick. Here it is, we open it, and then wait a moment until it properly loads. And now here's the app which we got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.